Hello and good day, gourmet friends. Today we're going to make a forest berry pork roast. I'm sure you're going to love this one. And of course you can subscribe. It won't even hurt, believe me. We're going to have a look at the ingredients we need to make our rub. We've got a mixture of forest berries. You got red berries, raspberries, black currant, blackberries, blueberries. But of course you can use any mixture you like. 1.5 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a tablespoon of coarse sea salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half a tablespoon of fenugreek, half a tablespoon of allspice berries, and a small tablespoon of Sichuan pepper. So we're going to take a dry skillet and we put all our spices in there. And we're going to toast them very lightly on medium heat. It's just a question of 3 to 4 minutes into the mortar, and we're going to ground them into powder. So I think this is good enough. We're going to reserve a tablespoon for later on. Add the forest berries, add the salt, olive oil and the honey. And we're going to crush this all into a paste. And here we go. So we got a whole pork loin with the bones. And as you can see, there's a lot of fat and the rind is still on. So we're going to cut this all off. And we're going to trim the fat a little bit. We're going to leave a little bit of fat. That's going to keep our meat moist. And we're going to clean a little bit of the top side of the bones. A little bit of olive oil in your oven plate. We're going to rub the pork loin generously. We're going to add some more later on. We're going to preheat the oven up to 180 degrees Celsius, and our pork loin is going to roast for 1 hour. And we're going to be back every 15 minutes to pour some juices over there and some more of our rub. After 15 minutes you can see this is quite dry on the bottom, so we're going to add a glass of water. And we're going to add the rest of the rub and back in the oven again. Add a little bit more water if needed. Time to make our forest berry garnish or sauce if you like. Melt some butter in your frying pan, medium heat. Add the berries. Salt, pepper. Add the tablespoon of ground spices. 2 tablespoons of honey. Give it a good mix. And we're just going to warm it up a little bit. We don't want our berries to cook too much. Let's have a taste. A little bit more salt. There we go. And just as the sauce starts boiling, kill the heat. We're going to add a little bit more butter in there. And that's going to melt slowly in our gravy. And here we go. And here we got our very fruity, spicy pork loin. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.